Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. My name is Devarshika and today we will explore the critical role of leadership and commitment in ISO 50001. Strong leadership and a dedicated commitment are the driving forces behind the successful implementation of an energy management system. Let's discuss this in detail. Why is leadership important in ISO 50001? Leadership is essential for setting the direction and creating a culture that prioritizes energy efficiency and sustainability. It ensures that energy management becomes a core part of the organization's strategy and daily operations. Key responsibilities include defining the energy policy, ensuring the availability of resources, aligning energy objectives with organizational goals. Commitment of top management. Top management plays a pivotal role in demonstrating commitment to ISO 50001 by actively supporting energy management initiatives, providing clear direction and assigning roles and responsibilities, regularly reviewing the effectiveness of the ENMS, promoting a culture of energy awareness among employees. Leadership actions in ISO 50001. ISO 50001 requires leaders to take specific actions including establishing energy policy, formulating a policy that aligns with organizational goals and regulatory requirements, integrating energy management, embedding energy management into business processes and decision making, communicating effectively, ensuring that all employees are aware of the energy policy, objectives, and their roles in achieving them. Encouraging participation, motivating employees at all levels to contribute the energy-saving initiatives. Benefits of leadership and commitment. Enhance energy performance, drives continuous improvement and achieves energy efficiency goals. Increased employee engagement, fosters a sense of responsibility and involvement among staff. Regulatory compliance ensures adherence to legal and environmental standards. Cost reduction supports initiatives that lower energy costs and improve operational efficiency. Demonstrating leadership in practice. Examples of leadership and commitment in action include allocating budget and resources for energy projects, setting clear and measurable energy objectives, recognizing and rewarding energy-saving contributions by employees. So friends, leadership and commitment are the foundation of a successful energy management system under ISO 50001. With strong leadership, organizations can achieve remarkable improvements in energy efficiency and sustainability. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. See you next time. Till then, take care.